Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a crypto portfolio with Fidelity, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what a crypto portfolio is. A crypto portfolio is a collection of various cryptocurrencies you own. Begin your journey by creating a Fidelity account if you don't already have one. Visit the official Fidelity website and click on Open an account. Fill in the required personal and financial information. Verify your identity by providing the necessary documents. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Fidelity homepage. Look for the investment options available for cryptocurrencies. Fidelity offers various tools and resources to help you understand the crypto market. Research different cryptocurrencies before making any purchases. Focus on popular options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others that suit your investment goals. Decide how much of your total investment will go into each cryptocurrency. This decision should align with your risk tolerance and investment strategy. Once you are ready, go to the trading section of your Fidelity account. Select cryptocurrency from the list of available asset types. Choose the cryptocurrencies you intend to purchase. Enter the amount you wish to invest in each currency. Review the current market prices and trends for informed decision-making. Proceed with the purchase after double-checking your order details. After the purchase, monitor your portfolio regularly. Keep track of market trends and news that may impact your investments. Consider diversifying your portfolio by adding new cryptocurrencies over time. Regularly rebalance your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. Stay informed about regulations and tax implications related to cryptocurrency. Utilize Fidelity's educational resources to improve your understanding as needed. Commit to a long-term strategy instead of reacting to short-term market fluctuations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.